Oliver White is a business management consulting company who specializes in helping companies design and implement all aspects of integrated business planning or sales and operations planning.
Demand management is all about managing all the different pieces that impact your demand plan. So those are different assumptions, those are the different metrics, the KPIs, the actual statistical software. There are all these elements that come together to form demand management and the demand plan.
The demand management public course is an opportunity for people to come and understand what that truly is. So many companies just completely underestimate or under-resource that part of their business planning processes. They have manufacturing, they have logistics, they have massive supply operations, and in order for all of that to work well, it has to have an input. The Demand Management Public Course helps people understand what that is and arms them with the information in order to properly run something like that.
Demand management course can really be helpful for a variety of people. So definitely demand planners, demand managers. We've seen sales and marketers join the class, and it's actually really helpful to see the other side of the table.
The most common aha or sort of light bulb moment for students is when they realize that demand management isn't just an analytical process. It's not just about the numbers and number crunching, that it's a people exercise in building relationships and collecting information from across the organization, and that their personal skills and that their soft skills are just as important as the hard technical skills.
I think one of the more significant light bulb moments that I see is the recognition that conflict is not a bad thing. In order to reach consensus on what planning and predicting the future is, we have to talk about where we disagree. And sometimes those discussions can be tough. We tend to be conflict averse sometimes, but that is the very antithesis of good demand planning.
My biggest takeaway from the course so far is that sales and operations don't necessarily think and operate the same way. And it helps to understand the other side's perspective, to have empathy and compassion, to be able to collaborate better down the road.
I think that one of the major takeaways that they feel empowered when they come away from this class is how to challenge the status quo, right? How to get leadership, participation, and accountability in the process, and how to do it constructively. It's one thing to highlight a problem, it's another thing to bring forward an answer. And that's a key tenet to what we coach people in this class.